Hello and welcome to SAP Learning Academy and welcome to this tutorial. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to explain about the SAP Analytic Cloud. I'll be telling you the overall picture, what is SAP Analytic Cloud and its connection type, what are the connection types available in SAC and its various features. And also I'll be telling you the architecture of SAC and some other feature. So let me start with the description first. So what is this SAC designed for? So SAP Analytic Cloud combines business intelligence, predictive planning, planning data in order to analyze from your landscape, and it enables to access on-premise or cloud data sources. I'll be telling you more on this. What does its on-premise and cloud data sources in the coming slides. So let me tell you that SAP Analytic Cloud, you can create model from data sources in on-premise or cloud system, and you can build stories based on those models, and you can perform online analysis without any data replication. So this feature allows SAP Analytic Cloud to be used in scenarios where the data cannot be moved into the cloud for security or privacy reason. So you can have the option of cloud data sources, and also you can create connection to remote system to allow the data acquisition by SAP Analytic Cloud. So data is imported or copied to SAC. So or maybe you can just copy the data, or that's I'll be telling you more in the connection type. Okay, let me tell you the connection type. So what are the connection types available in SAC? This is the very important part in SAC. So how you're actually just connecting with the data. One is this live data connection, and the other one is the awkward data connection. Awkward data connection, or maybe you can call it as import data connection. Okay. So in SAC there are mainly two connections by which you can actually connect the data into SAC. Suppose you are and let me give you some live example, like uh, we are talking about, suppose you are having a HANA system, SAP HANA system, and you want to show the data in SAC just on live connection basis. So you can also have the option here. So let me tell you the basic features. What is this live connection and awkward data connection? And this, for live connection, it is available for cloud and on-premise data sources. This live connection, and even both these connection types are available for cloud and on-premise data sources. And in live data connection, it does not replicate your data in SAC, so it can directly connect with your live data sources. So it does, you no need to replicate the data. But for this awkward data connection, you have to replicate the data in SAP Cloud. And here in this live connection, you can actually use the existing data model for analysis, but here you have to create a new data model. And also you need to, in live connection, you can update your data visualization or stories with new time in real time. So but here you need to refresh the data, and you no need to have a space container in the cloud layer, but you need to have a space container when you are copying the data. So that's a little bit of difference in live connection type and awkward type. And if I give you some example of the live connection, suppose you can take data from SAP HANA or SAP BW, or maybe APOS, or different other like S4 HANA. So those are the different connection types, sources that you can take for live connection. And similar to that, also you have you can take there are some example for aqua data connection as well. Like still you can use BW system, BW or HANA or S4 HANA. So also you can do the same thing, but you need to copy the data. But in live connection, you can directly connect with this. And also you can use like Google Drive. So this is a very famous Google. You can connect with the Google Drive. You can connect with this any file server. Okay. And also this you can connect with OData. So and SAP BPC. So a lot of other options are available here. And now I will be coming into the architecture, how this SAP Analytic architecture look like. So this is the overall architecture of SAP Analytic Cloud. As you can see at the below here, we have the option of cloud data sources and applications and on-premise data sources. So both these options are available. And then this is the next part is the SAP Analytic platform. This is PaaS, platform as a service. So then we have the core capabilities. In the core capabilities means what you can do with the data, like you can do this data connectivity, wrangling, modeling, administrators and visualization, collaboration. So a lot of other options are available. And then after that it comes the data, the analytics capabilities. So it can do the planning or business intelligence, predictive analysis. So both different things you can do. Then it comes the application, how can we access the data. So you have the all the options like in a mobile experience, you can access this information, this design into the mobile. And also SAP Analytic Hub and SAP Design Boardroom. So that's the overall picture of the architecture. And coming to the last slide of this one, I have put a demo report how this SAP Analytic Cloud look like. We can see more of a graphical representation. And in earlier reports, or if I talk about the BEX reports, so we didn't see much of graphical report in earlier versions, but now we're gonna see more of a graphical version. We are going to access to mobile, so it will be much more accessible and good for business. So that's all about this tutorial. And if you have any question or comment, you can write the comment. I will be happy to answer. And also please subscribe the channel and click the bell icon for all notification, because as soon as I upload a new video, you're gonna receive it. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day, and please look into my other tutorial. I've given the link in the video description. Thank you for watching.